Let's see what happens to T. Well, you know T. And we have two forms, of course, lowercase or small and capital. This one comes at the beginning or in the middle of a word. This one comes at the end of a word, always. But there's one more thing. See these red parts? It can attach from here, always attach from here, but sometimes attach from here. This one sometimes attaches from here, sometimes doesn't. Let me give you a hint. Remember that we had brothers and sisters in Persian alphabet? Well, this attachment thing comes for these letters that look like each other is exactly the same. Look, exactly like what happened to B. Look at this. Let's see what happens in the actual words. So this one comes at the beginning here and it attaches because it has to from here. So it attached to A here. See how it looks like? Top. It doesn't matter, the words doesn't matter that how we write them down. I just want you to see what T looks like in different parts of a word. Pay attention to this one when it comes at the beginning and always attached to the letter after that. Top. Top. Top is the same as swing in English. Here, in these two words, it comes in the middle of a word. Here, it attaches from both sides. Here, just from one part. Here, look how it looks like. Chatr. Chatr. Chatr is the same as umbrella in English. Next one, it doesn't attach from here because we know that re doesn't want to attach from here, and it attached to be here because it has to. Murattab. Murattab. Murattab is the same as clean in English. Murattab, clean. What about this capital one when it comes at the end? Well, it sometimes attaches, sometimes doesn't. It's how it would look like, and it depends on the letter before that. So here we have sa'at. Sa'at. Sa'at is the same as watch or on the wall. Watch in English. Sa'at, watch. And here it doesn't attach because of ve here. It doesn't want to, so it comes alone. Toot. Toot. Toot is the same as berry in English. Toot, berry. Easy, huh? Let's see what we have for practice. Well, for practice for next session, just 2 or 3 lines, write down each one of them, and like me, the parts that it can attach to other letters, just make them obvious with another color. And here, if you want, if you can, just write each one of them just once. The writing is not that important. I don't want you to memorize to how to write a word. We will learn it in next seasons, but just want you to practice, okay? But until next session, instead of saying swing, we say top. Instead of saying umbrella, we say chatr. Instead of saying clean, we say murattab, murattab. Instead of saying watch, we say sa'at. And instead of saying berry, we say toot. Just let me know when you finished all your practices. Just let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next session. Bye.